Hey there friends, you're on the Valor channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error 101. Alright, this is a server error that mostly impacts Steam servers, not the user's computer. So the first thing you should do is check the server status. You can search for Steam server status. Okay, let's check it out. As you can see, everything's fine now, everything is online. So let's try resetting the DNS settings. Go to Start, type CMD, run it as an administrator, click Yes, and then enter the command ipconfig/flushdnsi. Hit Enter, close it. Secondly, you can check your internet connection. Here's how to see your internet connection. Select your adapter. I have Ethernet 5. Click Properties, select IP version 4, click Properties again, choose Use the following DNS server addresses, and type in 8.8.8.8, then 4.4.4.4, and click OK. There you go. This might help too. If none of this works, you can try using a VPN, restarting your computer, or reinstalling Steam. That's it for today. This was Samble Valor. Goodbye, everyone.